Let's find out how to merge, align and rotate cell content. Let's take cell B3, which displays the text Sales. We would most probably want to display this at the center of the B3 to E3 cell range that corresponds to sales appearing just underneath it. So we'll have to select this area here, and from the Home tab, we locate the Cells group. We click Format, and then Format Cells. We select Alignment, then Merge Cells, and align text horizontally at the center. We click OK, and the four cells, B3, C3, D3, and E3, will be merged into one cell. Also, the text will be displayed at the center of the cell. This feature is very common when using Excel, that's why there's a button on the ribbon producing the same result. Let's undo our last action and see how we can use this button. We select the B3 to E3 cell range again and simply click this button here. This way, cells have been merged and the text has been centered.
A small interruption. There are other ways to get to the Format Cells window with fewer clicks. The first is to right-click on a cell area of cells. For example, I select cell A1, right-click on it, and in the list of options that appear, I select Format Cells. The other way is to click on these small arrows at the bottom right of the command groups on the main tab. Here, here, here. Clicking on the Font Group arrow opens Format Cells on the Font tab. Clicking on the Alignment Group arrow opens the Format Cells window on the Alignment tab. Respectively, the Number Group arrow opens the Format Cells on the Number tab.
The next thing we're going to see is how to align cell text. Let's take a cell B4, which displays number 2018. Because of its considerable height and width, we can align 2018 to a different position. For the moment, it is aligned to the bottom and right. Let's try to align it to the top left. Having selected the cell, we navigate to the Format Cell options, and from the Alignment tab, we set horizontal alignment to the left, vertical alignment to the top, and click OK. Our text has been aligned to the top left. Now let's take 2019 and align it horizontally and vertically at the center. We select the cell, we navigate to the Format Cells command and select horizontal alignment at the center and vertical alignment at the center again and click OK. The text has now been aligned horizontally and vertically at the center.
Another small interruption. Excel allows us to change the alignment of cell contents in an even easier way, with these 6 buttons in the Alignment command group. In the top triad, we choose the vertical alignment, and in the lower triad, the horizontal alignment. So we can change the 2019 alignment to left and bottom with just 2 clicks. Left and bottom.
Good to know. As for the 2020, we're going to rotate it. We select the text 2020 and go to Format Cells and to the Alignment tab. We bring the mouse pointer to the red rhombus here and holding the left mouse button down, we drag upwards or downwards. We've just selected the 45-degree rotation, as we can see in here. We could also set the degrees we want by using the arrows or this text field. Now we're at minus 38 degrees. So we click OK and the text will be displayed like this. Then we're going to display the text 2021 vertically. We select the cell, we navigate to Format Cells, click this point here and then OK. We can also increase the row height a little, and 2021 is written vertically.
There is a button on the ribbon for rotation as well. It allows us to rotate the contents to the 5 most popular settings. It's this button here. Counterclockwise, which means 45 degrees. Clockwise, which means minus 45 degrees. Vertical text. Rotate text up. Rotate text down. The last button displays the cell formatting window.
Then we navigate to the Courses worksheet. We select cell D5 that displays the text Price per hour. Now we're going to see how we can wrap this text. We navigate to Format Cells and from the Alignment tab we select Wrap Text and click OK. It seems like nothing has changed. However, if we decrease the column width and increase the row height, the text will take this form. In this case, we say that the text has been wrapped. There is also a dedicated button in the ribbon for wrapping text. It is now pressed since our cell is wrapped. If we click it, the wrapping is disabled. If we click it once again, the wrapping is back on.
But there is also another way to wrap text so that we don't need to navigate to the Format Cells window over and over again. We can use the Alt key.
We're going to select the cell, type our text, and at the point where we want to change row, we hold the left Alt key down and press Enter. The insertion point will then move underneath. We type the next word, and holding the left Alt key down, we press Enter, and then start typing again the last word. As soon as we've completed typing the text, we just press Enter. Our text will then be wrapped again, just as in cell D5.
Of course, in this case, our text will remain wrapped even if the width of the column increases. While in the D cell, if we increase the width of the column, the text is not wrapped anymore.
So we have learned how to align, rotate, and also wrap the contents of the cell.